Hello Year 9 and welcome to March's Assembly. Can you believe it's March already? Enjoy the pictures of my cats. On the left you have Oscar, who we call Scrat, and on the right you have Alfie, who we call Mew because he only responds to a very high-pitched meowing sound. I've scribbled my face out in the background because no one needs to see that. So this is our final kind of assembly before we're all back in school, and we are so looking forward to having you all back again. Okay, so last week in the check-in, how has this week been? We got an average rating of 3.48 stars, which is slightly higher than usual, which makes me think that your live lessons are having a positive effect on you. And hopefully our little weekly average will go up again once we're all back in school and able to see each other a little bit more. Have you been finding live lessons? Now, when I spoke to some of you before half term, you were feeling really quite anxious about them. But actually, it looks like about 2/3 of you have said that you were finding them fine or great, and a large number of you actually said, I was nervous, but they've been all right. So if you're someone that's still a bit scared about joining the live lessons, remember they are compulsory, so you have to join. Otherwise you'll be getting phone calls from us. But once you join, it's so much better than you expect, and it's actually really nice to be in a lesson, even if it's virtual, with your friends again. And it's also lovely for your teachers. They spend a long time planning lessons, so it's really important that you turn up and participate. How are you feeling about coming back to school? And I'm really pleased that most of you are feeling either excited or nervous and excited, but you want to be back, and we want you to be back in as well. Some of you are feeling a bit nervous. So on the next slide, I'm going to be answering some questions that people wrote in the survey, and hopefully that can put your minds at rest. But do feel free to contact me or Miss Gillard if you do have any other questions. Okay, so do I have to join the live lessons even if I'm doing my work? Yes, live lessons are compulsory for all year groups now, so please join. 2, has anything changed, or is it more or less the same? So it's fairly similar to what it was before Christmas. So you can still wear your PE kit on the days where you have PE, but remember our uniform policy is strict and it is clear. So make sure that you're wearing what is expected of you. No brands, please. B block breakout is still for year 9 and 10. The one thing that has changed is face masks. Now you're still going to have to wear face masks when moving around the school building, but you are also going to have to keep them on in classrooms. And that's just to make sure that we keep everyone as safe as possible. Obviously, this isn't always going to be possible in subjects like PE where you're running around or you're outside, but in the majority of lessons, you will be keeping your face masks on. Someone also wanted to know when you start your options. You don't start your options until year 10, so your timetables remain the same. Equally, your timetable classrooms remain the same as well, so that's not changing either. And if you're feeling a bit anxious about the return to school, and you would like a quick chat with me or Miss Gillard, or you want to come in for a little visit with us, please get in touch and email us and we can arrange it. We understand that some of you are feeling a little bit apprehensive. And final thing, same slide as always, because you get a picture of me and Miss Gillard, we are still here for you. Even though we know that there's kind of hope in sight now and we're coming back to school, we're still here for this week, and we understand that it has been quite tough for a lot of you. So email us, or we can arrange a phone call. And remember, if you do want to talk to someone, but not necessarily us, there are a range of other services available like Kooth. Keep doing the weekly check-in. It might be the final one for a while at the end of this week, and look after yourselves and stay safe. But we are so excited to see you all back at school next week, and Mr. Hunter will be sending out more information about logistics and what time you need to turn up later in the week. Take care all.